Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can download Google Chat 2023 update download. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store. After that, you will see search button. You have to click on that and type Google Chat. After that, you have to click on install. If you keep updating your phone, the updated version of Google Chat will be directly in your Play Store. So make sure to update your device. So this is how you download updated version of Google Chat. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.